So what's up guys, naglaro nga pala ako dito tapos last game na to para Mythical Glory na tayo ang ginagamit nga pala natin dito ay si Karina at mga magagaling din naman yung kakampi ko dito at lalo na yung tank namin.
That I'll be there through the highs and lows. Keep in mind if your heart gets broke. By your side when you're all alone, I will be there. When you're down and down on your luck, things got tough and you've had enough. When you fall down, I'ma pick you up. I will be
Nanalo nga pala kami dito dahil sobrang taba na ng Karina ko at mabilis lang namin tinapos.
Victory!
And your tears are rolling down the river to the ocean, and there's no one else around. You won't question my devotion. Everybody needs some.
Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa mga solid supporters ko at sana hindi kayo masawa sa pag-like ng aking mga content at dito lang muna tayo at God bless you all guys.